there, Aurora here with Supercharged Math, and today we're going to tackle a really important concept in decimals. Let me take you down to my desk and we'll get started. Can you do 2.0 plus 1.4? Okay, so you're going to stack it up. Smaller number on the bottom, larger number on the top. Just take a look at how big and clear I'm writing and how it's easy. So it's really, really easy. So if you tend to be a messier writer where you're writing things like, and like nobody can even read that, you're gonna have trouble with this. Take your time, make your numbers more clear so everything lines up. It just makes your life so much easier, especially when we start to get more complex. All right, 0 plus 4 is 4. Drop the decimal point. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so what we're going to do is put this number where it says number, 3.4. You're going to draw me what does 3.4 look like. Okay, so that's what goes in here. Okay, so I know I'm going to have 3 boxes of something and then 0.4. Now I may not realize what 0.4 looks like yet, but if I say the number out loud, 3 and 4 tenths. That's what this is. 3 and 4 tenths. That's what you put here. 3 and 4 tenths. Now I'm like, oh, you know what? 4 tenths. Okay, so I'm going to have another box, but now it's got 10 divisions, and 4 of those are colored in. Okay, so the yellow indicates 3 and 4 tenths. Okay. The fractional form is when you take this and you just write down what I said. 3 and 4 tenths. The expanded form, this is when we break apart this number. So this is 3 and 4 tenths. All right, does that kind of make it clear, all the different forms? It gets confusing because you have so many different ways you can represent numbers, right? We can say them out loud, we can have a picture of them, we can have a number, we can have numbers added together that mean the same thing, we could have a fraction that means the same as a decimal. So it's important to start making the connections of like which one's which. Good. I want you to add 1.5 and 0.7. Can you do that for me? And then fill out the one on the bottom with the answer. So whatever you get for an answer here goes in the number spot. Okay, and then you'll fill this out. I'll leave it looking like this so you can see what each box should have in it. Okay. Okay. Yes, we have a carry. Excellent. How do you deal with a carry? Okay, let's do that together if you're getting stuck. 5 and 7 make 12. You put the 2 here. We carry it. 1 plus 1 is not 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So just pretend the decimal points aren't here when you're just carrying. It's like saying 15 plus 7. Okay. And we should have 22. And then you put the decimal point. Okay. Same way that regular addition works. Okay. Somebody's asking, how come it's not 1.12? So it's because we're adding, everybody stays in their own lane. If you got a different number, it means you're trying to do too much. So we only want 5 and 7 here. The 10s goes here, the 1s goes there. And then we add everything here to get that side. Okay, you see that? Good. Okay, we're just adding 2 numbers. And if you need to, just put your fingers like this. 5 plus 7 is 2, carry the 1, okay. All right, so that's the number that goes here, 2.2. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a picture. 2.2 might look like, maybe we'll make circles this time. 1, 2. And remember, this 0.2 doesn't mean half. That last circle has got to have all the divisions. Okay, so the pizza's divided into 10 parts, and we're talking about 2 of those parts. Good. Okay. So if we say this number out loud, we would say 2 and 2 tenths. Okay. And if I write the fraction, I'd say 2 and 2 tenths. Okay, and we break this number apart. It looks like this, 2 and 2 tenths. So here's the 2, and this part is the 0.2, okay, which is 2 tenths. Good. All right, if you have any questions that didn't get answered, let me know, or at superchargedscience.com. I will see you in class. Bye-bye, everybody.